Predator. All the villagers are
Alright, what happened to all the villagers?
all the villagers are just staring at me in a corner. Would you like to come down and see?
Wait.
Would you like to come down and see?
That's what I mean. We're Gamer here, and welcome to Survival of Predator Gamer. With half a heart, with only 6 bars of hunger, and the zombies around you. Run! I'm surprised I haven't died yet. My game just froze, so I might die.
Predator, there's a terrorist right there. Oh frick!
Double kill. Ah! You are a rabbit. How am I a rabbit? Nice-year-old rabbit. What's a nice-year-old rabbit? Imagine if I accidentally found an ocean monument. Or woodland mesh.
I've angered an Enderman! Fuck! Water! 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 My asshole's getting stretched. My asshole is getting fucking stretched.
Nice.
I would have an accident.
Nailed it. Welcome.
I'm having a seizure!
Where did you go? Wait a minute. Where did you go?
I'm having a seizure. Let me reload. I was having a seizure.
Where the boat and you just teleported. Where are you?
In the middle of the fucking ocean.
Really? You got teleported back?
No, it's at the bottom of the ocean.
Like it sunk to the bottom of the ocean? Or
okay,
like...
Meeper, I'm going on a suicide mission trying to bring your boat back up to the surface. I'm at 6 hearts.
Eat something. Grow gills.
Have a heart! Oh! What?
Maybe just left.
Oh, his laptop.
Yep, your estimation was correct.
60 frames per second. Let's see how bad this can get. Oh, it's really not bad. Really not bad. Let's get right into the news!
17 team went flying upwards. Sniper behind you.
I did not go into the news properly.
Actually no. Oh yeah.
We have dug into a cave, apparently.
What the?
You have dug into a cave.
Nigel!
Oh,
Terrorist, no!
Oh, I timed out. Oh, damn it, all the mobs were despawned. Crap.
Not if I have anything to do about it. Okay, I'm stuck in my own farm again.
Please don't tell me the mobs despawned.
They despawned.
Damn it.
Be better. Say one, but longer. Like my longest yeah boy ever, but goddamn it edition.
Yeah, boy! God damn it. Boy! Oh, fudge. Oh, Kayabara. Kayaba. I'm on fire and there's a zombie apocalypse.
Oh god.
Oh, I can see zombies near my sugarcane farm.
Wait, okay, am I joining your hole? My frame rate's at 90.
Okay, remind me to start running as soon as I leave. Crap. What the fudge? Okay.
Okay.
Oh
This is
crap.
whole different- This is oh god. This is whole
This is
different.
hell. This is the definition of hell. Wait, slash AFK, enter. No, slash. Ah, god damn it.
Oh god. My frame rate! Oh my god.
Michael, whenever you can, please come to me. There's literally a zombie. There's like a horde of zombies raping me. Oh crap! Every once in a while, you just hear a terrorist. I see a terrorist explode.
My frames are actually like naturally dropping.
Not the way of the devil.
How? Blah 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 blah.
Sean, talk. Is Sean talking for you or no?
No. What was
Okay,
that
good.
though?
Michael, see the tree that's outside? Sure, come up here. See the tree out there?
Yeah.
That tree out there. Okay, so put it out of its misery. Okay, first.
How did this even happen?
Oh,
God.
Rest in peace.
Hello?
Yeah.
You totally did not hear anything, right?
What was all that swearing?